Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's lecture is of English grammar of class 6th and 7th, and our topic is alphabet, word, and sentence. First of all, I will tell you something about alphabet. Alphabet are letters which are used to write something in a language are called alphabets. There are 26 alphabets which are used in English language, and all the words and sentences of English language are made from these alphabets. And letters is a symbol that represents a particular sound in a language and used for spelling words. In English language, 26 letters are used to make words. Alphabets are A to Z, and these are also called letters from which we make other words. Now, there are two types of letters, capital letters and small letters. You are fully aware of these two types because you have read in your lower classes. Capital letters are also from A to Z, capital A, capital B, and small letters are also from A to Z, and these are called lowercase letters. These are A, B, C. These are written in small English. Capital letters are uppercase letters, while small letters are lowercase letters. These all things you have read in your lower classes. Now we will shift to vowels and consonants. These are more types of letters, vowels and consonants. I have already told you that there are 26 alphabets in English language, 26 letters. 5 letters are called vowels, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels, and remaining 21, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, etc. These are called consonants. These are called consonants. The total 26 alphabets are letters. 5 letters are called vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 are called consonants. Now, what is word? A word is a group of letters. For example, you know that A, B, C, D, these are our words, and these are our letters, and when these letters join together, they form a word. Let's say computer, calculator, book, dictionary, whiteboard, door, window, etc., etc. These all are called words. And what is phrase? Phrase is a set of words which does not make a complete sense. For example, few and far between, at a glance, look down upon. These are called phrases, which are called phrasal verb, you can say. They don't have a proper meaning. We can say that they don't have meaning individually, but when they will combine with other sentences, other part of sentence, then it will get a complete sense. Now, sentence is a meaningful group of words. For example, these sentences you have completely aware that I am a boy, you are a liar, he is an honest person, I always speak the truth, we are punctual. These all are called sentences because they have proper meaning. Phrase don't have proper meaning, but sentences have proper meaning. Now, we will study about parts of sentence. How many parts of sentences are there? In last topic, in sentence, we have written, I write a letter. This is a sentence. I write a letter. I is subject, write is object, and I is subject, write is verb, and letter is object. There are 3 parts of a sentence. Subject is a person who does something, who does some work or something is called subject, and verb is a word which shows action, and object is a word that denotes some person, denotes some action or state is called subject. A thing in which some action is done is called subject, and verb is a word which shows action. Let's say I am giving you some more examples. Let's say He opens the door. He opens the door. He, subject, open, verb, door, object. I recite the Holy Quran. I, subject, recite, verb, Holy Quran, object. These are three parts of a sentence. Now we will shift towards kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences are there? In your 6th and 7th book, there are 6 kinds of sentences. One is positive sentence, second is negative sentence, and the third is interrogative sentence, fourth imperative sentence, fifth is exclamatory sentence, and sixth are optative sentences. You have read first 3 types of sentences in your lower classes, in your class 5, 6, 5, 4, 5. Positive sentence is that sentence in which is called musbat jumle. Let's say I write a letter, he is working hard, you always help the poor. These are called positive sentences or simple sentences. When we use negative sentences are those sentences which make a negative statement. Let's say in negative sentences, not is used in English and nahi is used in Urdu. मैं खाना नहीं खाता, मैं खाना नहीं खाता हूँ. I do not eat food.